Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to block ads on Crossy Road. Blocking ads in Crossy Road can improve your gaming experience, but it's important to note that ads are a primary way for developers to offer the game for free. So if you want to block ads, here are some legitimate and ethical methods. The first method is to simply go ahead and enable airplane mode on your device before launching the game. This will disconnect your device from internet, preventing ads from loading. The next thing you want to do is to purchase the remove ads option. First of all, go ahead and open the Crossy Road app on your device, and once you are in the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to go ahead and tap on parental controls. Now you will be able to see disable video ads option. Simply tap on it and then click on the amount displayed at the bottom, which is $9.99 in my case. Simply tap on that button and follow through the on-screen prompts, and you will then be able to make your payment and ad blocker pack will be activated on your account. So that was how you will be able to block ads in Crossy Road. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.